See, it can explode. I know I do. Everybody, I'm gonna shoot. There's a car right there, and I don't know why, but anyways, I'm gonna shoot this thing with a BB gun. I don't know if it'll blow up, or whatever, but I'm gonna do it. And if it doesn't do anything, then it doesn't do anything. But anyways, I'm gonna do it in fast motion and then in slow motion at the end of it, and then you can see my house is right there. But anyways, yes, I'm gonna shoot this with the BB gun. It's gonna supposedly explode, but if it doesn't explode, then I'll find something that will explode. Anyways, it sounds like it's carbonation in there, but anyways, if not, then I don't know. So let me set this down, and I'll get back with you. And also, I didn't put this in the video. I accidentally deleted it, but my carnage over here, which is like this stuff right here. Yeah, I shot that with the BB gun, so I'm gonna shoot this in the same area where I shot those at anyways. And there's glass right there, which I almost stepped at anyways. Yeah, so get ready. My phone might get wet, but oh well, it's worth it. That was me grunting. Let's do this. Sure enough, my phone did get wet. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. And look, I'll show you where it went in at. It went in right there, and then it, blah. So, let's see that in slow motion.